In this session, we're going to take a look at a different graph, which is a scatter plot. If you remember from the class, scatter plots are usually used to analyze the relationship between different variables. Therefore, in this session, our task is going to analyze the relationship between the average price and the total sales volume of our avocado dataset. So let's first create a new worksheet and rename it as scatter plot. So our goal is to analyze the relationship between the average price and the total sales. Therefore, we'll be using one of them as the columns and the other one as the rows. So let's drag these variables to the related field. So let's drag the total volume to the columns, and let's drag the average price to the rows. So now you'll see that we are not seeing a scatter plot yet. We only see one dot here, which is the aggregated result. And this is actually the default setting of Tableau. When you try to visualize a variable, it will show you the aggregated result. So in order to see an actual scatter plot, we will need to unaggregate this visualization. The way we can do that is we can click Analysis, and we can uncheck the Aggregate Measures button. So now all the different data points in our data set will be created in this visualization, and this will actually become our scatter plot. So once we create a scatter plot, we can also add a trend line to show the correlation between the two variables we have included here. So what we can do is that we can click Analysis again, and we can click Trend Lines to show trend lines. Besides showing the trend line, we can also take a look at the statistic results for this trend model. So we will go to Analysis again, and then go to Trend Line, and then click Describe Trend Model. So this will tell us this trend model for this correlation. So the p-value is lower than 0.05, so there is a significant correlation between the average price and the total sales. And this correlation, if you look at the value, is a negative value. So the average price is negatively correlated to the total sales. Of course, we can add more information to this visualization as well. So you can try to play with the different filters and see how the different filters will affect this visualization. For example, we can add the region as the filter, and we can click just Albany to see how it changed the scatter plot that we have in here. Something for you to think about and for you to try is, for this kind of scatter plots, for correlation analysis, does it matter which variables is used as the columns and which variable is used as the rows?